Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to clear browsing data in Opera GX browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera GX browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera GX settings, select this one Privacy and Security option in the left sidebar. Then under this one privacy and security section on the right sidebar, click on this one clear browsing data. Under basic, you can select the time range you want to remove browsing data. You can choose from last hour to all times and then click on this one clear data button. In case you want to clear more data, again click on this one option and switch to this one advanced tab. You can now select more options such as passwords and other sign-in data, autofill forms data. Select all these details, site settings, hosted app data. Check these one options and then click on clear data button.